I leave little crackles when the cabinet doors close. Snap it's on the hinges, yeah, she already knows. Hear a pop-up echo from the kitchen at night. She says, boy, I swear, but she is laughing mid-fight. I am a smart aleck king with a sideways grin. Hide her phone for a moment, then I hand it back again. She rolls her eyes like she is done with my games, but she is smiling so much she forgets why she was upset in the first place. Yes, I push every button, I test every nerve, but she loves me anyway, and I do not deserve a woman so patient, sweeter than she has to be. Puts up with my jokes and my simple comedy. Yes, I am her headache, but I am also her peace, and I get to bother her for eternity. Snap it's on the covers, little pops in the night. She says, you are so childish, and she is probably right, but she is still right here, and she still chose me. So I will love that woman obnoxiously. I fake a spider just to watch her jump. Then I hold her close and say, it is gone, you are safe, my love. She hits my arm and says, you really are not right. But she leans in closer when we turn off the lights. I leave silly notes like, you smell someone nice, then cross it out quickly and write, no, you smell like paradise. She shakes her head, but she keeps everyone. She has a whole drawer full of jokes I have done. Yes, I know I am a mess, always testing my luck, but she stands by me when life becomes tough. Through the chaos, the pranks, and the noise I bring, she's the calm in the middle of everything. A woman so patient, sweeter than she has to be. Puts up with my jokes and my simple comedy. Yes, I am a headache, but I am also her peace, and I get to bother her for eternity. Snap it's on the cupboards, little pops in the night. She says, you are so childish, and she is probably right, but she is still right here, and she still chose me. So I will love that woman obnoxiously. For the rest of my life I have a front row seat to the prettiest smile rolling its eyes at me. If love is a joke, then I delivered it clean, because she is my forever and my favorite routine.